And a very pleasant good Tuesday afternoon, everyone. It's a hot one out there. As expected, temperatures soaring a little bit this afternoon. This 9th day of June, by the way. Sun does not set till 8:50 this evening. And the average high is 78 degrees, and we are way above that. I always like to hear Jeff and Skip wrap it up. That is the Whiteboard Weather theme song, as sung by Good Brother Earl on this National Earl Day today. So special shout out to Good Brother Earl, one of the best local bands across Western Pennsylvania. When the opportunity arises again, I highly suggest and recommend that you find out where and when Good Brother Earl will be playing, and you check him out. You will not be disappointed. It's good stuff. Anyway, hope you're having a great Tuesday afternoon. As I said, temperatures soaring a bit this afternoon. Most of the numbers around the area right now are checking in the upper 80s, but again, it's still 3 o'clock this afternoon if you're watching live, so there's still plenty of time to tack on another couple, 3 degrees, and I think we'll likely do that, and I think most places will likely pull their first 90-degree day officially since September the 11th of last year. We were at 90 degrees, so it's been about 272 days since we were officially at 90 degrees. Speaking of heat and summer, one thing I want to talk about very quickly, while more people are joining in, is in your travels this summer, and I know it's not the usual summer so far, but in your travels, whether they be locally, whatever you're doing to occupy some of your time, or maybe you're traveling and vacationing, snap some photos of what you're doing this summer. And I really want to see either your activities or just a great summer shot, and send them to me, pittsburghweathernow@gmail.com. We want to start and launch a special summer photo gallery. So any type of picture, a pool, a great shot, riding bikes, just out of town, just snap a photo and send it along, and we will add it to the summer photo gallery. So please, and I'll remind you as we go forward, but I wanted to start that thought process today as we move forward. All right, let's check out the website, pittsburghweathernow.com. This is where you would find the photo gallery and any photos you send to me. There's a nice little handy tab at the top of the page that says Photo Galleries, and it directs you right to the Buell Insurance Agency Photo Gallery. Once we get enough summer photos, we'll launch that summer 2020 photo gallery. One interesting thing I want to draw your attention to, if you haven't seen it yet, I put out this educational post today, how to spot and identify and treat heat illness, anything from heat cramps to heat exhaustion to heat stroke. It's a very informative article and just a good information to have. So check that out. Again, that's right there near the top of the homepage at pittsburghweathernow.com, your home of Whiteboard Weather, other than Facebook, obviously. All right, here's a look at current temperatures. Again, mid to upper 80s right now, with still some time to pull that 90-degree temperature, which I think we will. And skies are partly to mostly sunny. Talked about it this morning. The dew points would be creeping up, and they are. Dew points are right in this column. It says DP. You can see some of the dew points. Butler's up to 65-degree dew point, 64 at the airport, 66 in Latrobe, and 69 in Washington as the winds start to shift out of the south. And it is going to be a steamy night tonight, my friends, with those oppressive dew points and temperatures only dipping down into the 70s. It's going to be, again, a muggy, steamy night tonight where air conditioning is certainly going to pay big time dividends. Here's a look at the surface map, breaking it down for you. High pressure is beginning to break down, and that's allowing a warm front to move through the area, so we will be in a warm and muggy sector of air tonight and early tomorrow. Now, as that warm front passes, we could pop 1 or 2 showers across, I'd say mainly areas in eastern Ohio, maybe northern West Virginia, but it ain't going to be much. And then as we head into the day tomorrow, that warm front should be well north, and then we'll focus on this approaching cold front. You can see early in the day tomorrow, this is 8 a.m., it's going to be dry, so no rain tomorrow morning, and I think it's pretty much rain-free until after, say, 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be late in the day toward evening that we see our increased likelihood of showers and potentially some stronger storms with the approach of the cold front. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow. You can see the cold front still backing through parts of Ohio, and then that front will sweep through. We'll see a round of some showers and storms, or maybe 2 rounds of showers and storms. And then Thursday morning, the front is through, and we'll get back to some drier, more comfortable air for the duration of the week and through the weekend. Now, tomorrow, ahead of that cold front, Storm Prediction Center does have our area in the yellow shaded region. You can see that's the slight risk for strong to potentially severe storms, which means there's an increased potential to see showers or stronger thunderstorms. I think any stronger thunderstorm tomorrow, the chief concern would be for straight line wind gusts and also some small hail. So that's something that we'll certainly be following and talking about over the course of the next 24 hours. Before we get over to the whiteboard today, I saw some stars coming through. Those of you that have sent stars, thank you. I appreciate it. Thanking you for your support. Born on this day, number of names to run down: Michael J. Fox, Johnny Depp, Natalie Portman, Dick Vitale, and the Cobra, Dave Parker. Remember the Cobra? He was part of the Family back in the late 70s, and I think he might have worn this jersey once or twice in his day. It was before they had the Pittsburgh gold jersey, but this is the Clemente era jersey. My Bucco jersey. Speaking of which, what is it, June the 9th? The Buccos are still in first place? Get out of town. They haven't lost a game yet. Who saw that coming? Anyway, let's get over to the whiteboard and breaking down your Simply Accurate no hype weather for the next several days. PittsburghWeatherNow.com, that is the website. Pittsburgh Weather Now, all sort of one word mashed together.com. Sunset tonight, 8:50. Sunrise tomorrow, 5:49. Moon, waning gibbous phase. The last, as I said, last 90-degree day we had was September the 11th of last year, so it's been 272 days. Today, if we haven't gotten there already in some parts of the area, we will before the day is over. And just FYI, in an average June, we have 2 90-degree days, so it's not unusual, as Tom Jones would say. It's not unusual to have 90 degrees. I can't believe I just dropped the Tom Jones. Anyway, thunderstorm threat tomorrow, late in the day, late Wednesday afternoon and into the evening. Again, the main threats will be wind and hail. Here's your forecast for tonight. 72, warm and muggy. Spotty shower. Again, 1 or 2 could pop, but most areas probably are not going to get one. But it's not going to get very cool tonight. And then tomorrow, upper 80s. A hazy, humid day. Again, it's not going to be doing anything with regards to rain or thunderstorms until I think later in the day. I'd say after 4 o'clock is when our risk will begin to increase into tomorrow evening. And again, some of those storms could be on the stronger side. Into tomorrow evening, 66 will be the low temperature. Cold front will sweep through tomorrow night, and then Thursday it cools off and becomes less humid, 78. With a partly sunny sky, not a bad day Thursday, and another spectacular weekend on the way. Check this out. Friday, mostly sunny and 77. Saturday, 74. And Sunday, 75 degrees. We will start another dry stretch of days after tomorrow, Thursday through Sunday, and probably even into early next week. So another real pleasant stretch of weather. When I was writing up the board today, I was thinking of one thing. I saw the Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's mid-June. This is like peak wedding season. I'm just wondering if weddings are going on again, because if you had planned a mid-June wedding, man, you couldn't have ordered up any better weather for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That would have been simply spectacular. Hopefully, weddings are back in business and people are back to taking their nuptials once again. So anyway, that's something I just thought of when I was writing up the whiteboard today. But a great wedding weekend it would have been. All right, that is going to do it for today. You're all caught up. Got the simply accurate, no hype weather that you always do. I'll be here again tomorrow, 7:30, 3 o'clock, breaking down your Wednesday forecast and updating you on any potential changes that the weekend could bring. But right now, I don't think there's really going to be much. Maybe a little tweaking with the numbers, temperatures, but I don't see any big wholesale changes or reason that the weekend is not going to be as beautiful as I just outlined. As always, I ask that you please share Whiteboard Weather with your Facebook friends. Just click the little share button. And again, those of you that have sent stars, I thank you very much. And a reminder to send any and all of your summer photos here, there, and everywhere to pittsburghweathernow@gmail.com. We want to get that summer photo gallery up and running sooner rather than later. Have yourself a great rest of this Tuesday, everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay cool. Peace.